Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. My name is Chaudhary and today we are going to build a financial planning assistant Gen AI powered chatbot that helps you guide through budgeting, savings and investments. So this app breaks down complex financial decisions into clear step-by-step advice, making it easier for everyone to manage their finances. Today I will show you how to build this app step by step and how chain of thought prompts allows the AI to guide users through financial concepts in a simple and understandable way. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So stick around till the end, and without wasting much time, let's start building. So guys, let's talk about our today's app that we are creating. So this is a financial planning assistant. So I'm sure you might be one of that person who always runs away when they have to do personal financing, because the financing term itself looks to be a very difficult term when it comes to doing the finance, and the image which gets created in our mind is we are going to do a lot of stuff in Excel sheet, we are going to track our daily expenses, and who's going to teach us that? So based on that idea, I thought of creating a financial planning assistant for the newbies who are moving towards the financial planning and they don't know how to get started, and they don't get advice from someone, because when you want to have some financial advice you have to go to a financial specialist, take their appointment, but you don't know that what kind of advice they are providing. So if you have some basics, then you know that what kind of questions you have to ask them and how you can manage your expenses. So this is an app I have created just for one purpose, where at least you can have the basic understanding of finances. So this app is going to take some input from your end, and based on that, it will give you a recommendation saying that how you can manage your expenses. So this app we are going to create uh, by using COT prompt. So let's go ahead and see what kind of COT prompt we are going to use. So the COT prompt that we are going to use, in that first we describe the prompt saying that create an AI powered financial planning assistant chatbot to help users make informed decision about budgeting, savings, and investment by breaking down complex concepts that we usually don't understand into logical, easy to understand steps. As I said, for a newbie who is just getting started into finance, for managing his personal finance, not for the professional one. So the app should the app should guide users through each financial decisions with detailed reasoning and actionable steps. Now, to do that, what the app has to do is the app has to understand the user's financial goal. So for that, it will ask that what is your financial goal, short-term goal, long-term goal, medium-term goal, retirement goal. So it can be for any kind of person who wants to start thinking about their uh, personal finance planning. Then it will ask you for the income and expenses that you have. So for example, suppose if I say my income is $20,000. Now once it gets the income, then it has to understand that what are the expenses that you make out of that income. So for that, it will ask you for some inputs that what is the fixed cost like rent, bills, any other expenses like groceries, entertainment, so that you can provide it to them and provide it to app so that it can provide you further details about how to do your budget planning. Then it will go ahead and create a budgeting strategy for you, where it will tell you that is the usual framework for budgeting that everyone's use. There can be different kinds of frameworks too, but this is the one that works for me. That is the reason I came up with the same. And then it will go ahead and establish a saving plan for you. First, it will tell you how you can do the budgeting. Then it will tell you that once you are done the budgeting and the saving that you have, how you can utilize that saving plan. Then it will go ahead and provide you recommendation about the investment planning, that how you can do investment planning with the money that you have. Then it will also help you to understand how you can do tax planning and optimize, so that you don't have to pay more tax. You can optimize your money which is coming in by uh, putting it into tax saving investments. And last but not the least, it is going to go ahead and review the plan, review the data that we have provided as an user input. So once it analyzes every user preferences, then it is going to provide you the perfect plan. As well as in this app, we are going to have a chatbot. So whatever plan it is providing, suppose it has provided you a plan of 10 steps and you are studying the step one. So in that case, what you can do is you can use the chatbot functionality in the app see that this step 1 is not self-explanatory. Can you go ahead and explain that in detail? So the chatbot will explain you in details that what exactly the step 1 was. So that is how you can take advantage of this financial planning assistant. So the right now the prompt that I have shown you, let me go ahead, copy that prompt and paste it. So let me copy this. Fantastic. Now what we're going to do next, we will go to AWS PartyRock, and in this PartyRock we are going to go ahead and click on generate app, and we are going to provide our COT prompt. So this is the same COT prompt that I spoke with you guys a few minutes before. Okay. So I will just go ahead and click on generate. Let's see what kind of app it comes up with. So it says Personal Finance Navigator. That's a good title. I'm not going to change this one. I like it. So the app name would be Finwise. That's good. So let's see what kind of user input it is planning to take from us. So the one that you see over here, this is going to be the app title. This is the introduction of app. Then it is going to ask if financial goal, income details, monthly expenses, and risk tolerance. And based on that, it is going to provide you the summary. So here is the app, and let me go ahead and edit that to make it well organized. Okay. Now let's see what all user input it is going to take. So it is first going to go ahead and ask for financial goals. It says that what are your main financial goals, short term, medium term, and long term. Your monthly expenses, that is your fixed cost, rent, utilities, variable expenses, how comfortable you are with investment risk. So these are all the information that we have to provide over here. So what I can do is, I think this is the one which is going to take more of a space. So let's do one thing. So for this, I will again click on edit and make this a bit smaller, bring it over here, make this a bit smaller, and this one also. Let's drag and drop, and let's expand this. Okay. And I think this can be made short. Okay. Yeah, that's better, right? So these are the short inputs that we have to give. So I have kept it as small user inputs. So monthly expenses is going to take a lot of space. So that is why I have kept it over here. So once we provide all these details, it is going to create a financial summary that what all information you have provided. And based on that financial summary, it is going to create a personalized plan, and you have a chat advisor over here. So based to ask question based on the financial personalized plan which has been generated. So what I can do is I can go ahead and again make this size, and I can get this over here. To be honest, I think we can have this above. This space is sufficient to be. So if I do this, not this much, this is sufficient. And let me go ahead and and let's take our personalized plan over here and chatbot at the right. So it is easy for you to view both of them. So this is done. I'll pull it up. So this is ready. So I think guys, our app is ready now. Now it's time for us to test it. So these are the user inputs that you see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are the user inputs that we have to provide. And then it is going to just give you an summary saying that this is the inputs that you have provided. It is just a double confirming that this is the information that you have provided and it has understood. So you have to actually see that the financial summary it is providing, is it up to the mark? If not, then you will have to change the user inputs that you have provided. And then once we do all that, then it will go ahead and create a personalized plan for us based on the input that we have given. And if we want, we can chat with our chatbot on this side. So I will just make this small, make this big. We will put our chatbot here. Yes. Okay, fantastic. So let me leave edit, and it's time for us to provide the user input, that is the financial goals. So what are your main financial goals? Include short term, long term, medium term and long term. So I will say long term. So it has to make a plan for me for my retirement. So that is going to be a long term. What is your monthly income after taxes? Include your salary and additional income sources. Okay. And how tolerance we have, like risk tolerance, what kind of risk we can take. Okay, so let me just go ahead and add this data over here so that you can get an idea that what kind of input you have to provide. So let's proceed. Okay, so now let me go ahead and provide the monthly income. So over here I have provided the salary after tax is $4,000 and the additional income is freelancing work. Side business income is $300 and total monthly income is going to be $4,800. If you want to do that for rupees, you can change the currency or rupees, pounds based on your requirement. Then how comfortable are you with investment risk, and also mention the investment timeline. So I'm going to mention both of them. So what kind of risk tolerance I have for my financial planning? I would say moderate. I'm comfortable with some risk but want to balance growth with safety. And investment timeline, I have given 10 plus years. I am focused on long term, as I have mentioned over here, long term growth, especially for retirement. So that is the risk tolerance that I have given. Now, then for the monthly expenses, what I have done is I have segregated it into three parts as it has requested. So fixed cost and variable cost. So this is my fixed cost. So fixed cost is my rent, utilities, car payment, health insurance, loan repayment. So this is the fixed cost that I have. And the variable cost that I have is this, that is groceries, entertainment, transportation, dining out, and miscellaneous, that is clothing, all those stuff. And my total monthly expenses 3950. 3950. Now I think whatever data it was asked by our financial planning assistant, I have provided that. So let me just go ahead and run this and see what information or what personalized plan it comes up with. So before that, let's first see over here. So financial summary report, in this it has understood it properly. So total monthly income is 4,800, if you can see. Okay, yeah, 4,800. Then freelancing is 500, side business is 300. Yes, that is correct. My fixed cost is 2350. Housing is this, car is this, a student loan, expense breakdown, variable, groceries. Okay, investment strategy. So this is the financial summary that it has provided over here. And if I go, so it is going to provide a financial action plan where it is providing the budgeting strategy, where it uses the rule of 50 30 20 rule analysis. And this is the breakdown that it has provided, that how you can balance that. Then for the budgeting strategy, what are the action steps it has provided over here? uh, you have to maintain current need spending as it's within the target. Then saving plan, monthly saving allocation 850 plus redirected wants. Then action steps, investment, so it says 60% stocks, 40% for large cap index. Action steps again. Then income management, how you can manage your income. Then additional recommendations, like before taking any insurance, you should review it, what kind of insurance it is, life insurance or other kinds of insurance, and what is going to be the auto renewal. And then debt management, regular review, implementation timeline. So it is saying that as we have provided the implementation timeline of 10 years, so based on that, it is providing over here that from month 1 to 3, set up the emergency fund, 4 to 6, review insurance. So this plan should be reviewed and adjusted significantly. Okay, so guys, this is how you can use this app to do your personal financing. Again, this is not an app for a professional financing tips, but yes, this is the app which will help you in your daily basis to manage your expenses, especially if you're a beginner and you don't know how to do it and you're looking for a assistant who can help you guide for the basic things. So I think most of the basic things it has covered. And if you still don't understand the jargons it has used over here, so what you can do is you can go to the financial advisor chat over here. And suppose if I don't understand the financial budgeting strategy, I would say explain me the budgeting strategy properly. See, current situation, needs, wants. So it has taken your data where you have mentioned that what is your current income, then what should be your needs, what are the needs out of it, what is wants out of it, and what is the potential savings that you can do. It says that you can do a saving of 850, and over here it breaks it down that how you can do that. So what all it is including, like rent, utilities, then inside needs, what goes inside wants, what goes inside saving, and how you can implement them. So this is an app which is going to give you a financial summary of what you have. Then it is also going to go ahead and give you a personalized plan that how you can do your savings and all those stuff. And if you don't understand the personalized plan which has been provided, you can go ahead and you can ask the financial advisor chat over here, that is a chatbot, that I am not understanding the specific financial action plan that you have provided. Can you explain it in details? So right now the details have been provided over here. And if you still don't understand this detail, what you can do is you can say that provide me the explanation in short. So the last response was too long, so right now I have asked him to create a short response, and you can see it is creating the short response over here. So this is the shorter version where it is trying to explain you in short. And it is still asking, do you need further help on some specific part which is being mentioned in the personalized plan? So that is how you can use this specific app. And I hope this helps in your financial planning to come up with some financial summaries, personalized plan, and you have a chatbot to assist for your financial queries. So put down in the comments below that if after using this app, do you think it helps you in your day-to-day activities of financial planning or not? If not, then you can go ahead and also click on remix out this app and make the changes that you want, and you can use it based on your preferences. Thanks for watching and checking out the AWS PartyRock Gen AI based app. I hope you are excited to try it out and see how easy it can be to use AWS and Gen AI to create something fun and unique based on your prompt and your unique ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I would love to help you out. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.